For this video, we will show you how to access and remove the convection blower on your Comfort-Bilt HP42 pellet stove. As always, make sure to remove power from the unit before servicing. The convection blower, or room blower, distribution blower, for the HP42 has been a problem from the manufacturer to get replacements. A lot of the original blowers have failed, and a lot of people are selling blowers for this unit that just do not fit. They're not long enough and they don't have the same technical spec on the side of it. We do have a blower that will work in this unit. It's the exact same spec other than this motor is on this side. The original motor for this is mounted over here. This unit uses a bracket on either side of this blower where you'll take out the 4 screws and the whole assembly will drop down. However, we don't need a bracket on the other side because there's already a bracket on the stove. So we can remove that side bracket from the end of the blower, but we will have to put the bracket from the old motor that comes on this side onto the new motor. You need the bracket to fasten it on this side. The only other thing we need to do is we need to reroute the wires to go over to this side because they're already set up on the stove to traverse over to the other side. Let me show you how to do that. So to get the wires to come back over to this side, we're going to cut the zip ties that are on the support rail. Over here on this side, these are the wires for the blower. There's one more zip tie that holds all of this together. And then we pull these wires back across. So there's going to be a red for power, there's going to be a white for the ground, and then there's going to be a neutral for the earth ground. And we're going to poke all 3 of those back over here to change direction. And we will mount one side of the blower, the first side, into the 2 holes that are there, which line up to the 2 outer holes on the blower. You're going to want to have the blower on the outside of this bracket, just like so. Okay, now over on this side, you're going to want to mount your bracket on the outside of the blower, and there are 2 thread certs that are right here, and you're going to use the original screws that go in the thread certs. They are Phillips head screws. There. Now our blower is mounted, and we have the wires that we had already poked through. It doesn't matter which terminal you put these on. Our ground wire is going to mount right to the motor itself, right here on this tab. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.